Justin would definitely identify as an introvert versus an extrovert. Fact or fiction?
It's a fact.
It's a fact.
Yes,
Pero alam mo, you know, you were saying earlier na gusto mo sana side character ka lang or sidekick guy or something. Pero you still exude this main character energy. Alam mo yun? Like you being you, very main character pa rin dating mo. So, it's hard to believe that you're an introvert. Pero, sino ba naman ako parang hindi maniwala, di ba, sabihin ni Justin? Okay, moving on.
Yeah.
Justin would rather choose to spend his weekends at home than outside. Fact or fiction?
Fact.
Fact talaga. What about staycation? Fact din.
Mas gusto ko pa talaga sa
Bahay
bahay.
lang talaga.
Opo.
Oh, that's nice. Tipid. Di ba? Yung wala ka masyadong gasto sa gas, sa pagkain, accommodation, sa bahay lang.
Medyo mabilis maubos din po yung social battery ko eh.
There you go.
Opo.
Oh.
Bahay na lang. Parang mas
tao
gusto ko
rin
po
talaga.
mag-invite ng close friends sa bahay, ganyan po.
Versus
Rather than
ano?
going out and then,
okay.
ano.
Mas prefer mo mag-host na lang sa bahay mo na lang at
Opo.
tahimik lang tayo lahat, ganun.
Yes, yes.
Laro lang tayo.
Easy Rock.
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.